I'm going to teach you how to import your Notion content into Coda. We're going to move your notes, pages, and databases from Notion into Coda in just a few clicks while keeping your structure intact. No copy-paste, no formatting headaches, just a clean import that respects your headings, bullets, lists, and tables. First, open the Coda doc where you want everything to land. This is important because Coda will place the imported content directly into the doc you have open. If you're organizing an existing workspace, open that specific doc. If you prefer a clean slate, simply open a fresh one and proceed there. Next, look for the three-dot menu at the top right of your Coda doc. Click it, choose Import, and then select Notion. This import option is your gateway for bringing content in, and choosing Notion tells Coda exactly where it should pull from. If you haven't connected your Notion account to Coda yet, you'll be prompted to do that now. Follow the on-screen prompts to sign in and authorize access. You only need to grant Coda permission to the pages or databases you plan to import, and you can always adjust permissions later. Once connected, you won't have to repeat this step each time. Now choose the specific Notion page or database you want to bring over. Pages typically contain notes, headings, and lists, while databases hold structured rows and columns. Pick the item that matches what you need. If you have several candidates, you can import them one at a time so each ends up exactly where you expect in Coda. When you're ready, click Import. Coda will begin processing your selection. Depending on the size of the page or database, this might take a moment. You'll see progress as Coda starts building out the content. After the import finishes, Coda automatically creates Coda pages and tables that mirror what you had in Notion. Your original structure is preserved, so the hierarchy of pages and subpages appears in the left sidebar, and databases come in as tables you can immediately work with. And here's the best part. There's no need to copy and paste anything manually. The import keeps your headings, bullet points, checklists, lists, and tables intact. Take a quick look through the imported pages to confirm everything looks right. Most content transfers cleanly, so you can start using it straight away in Coda. That's all there is to it. You opened your Coda doc, used the import menu to select Notion, connected your account if needed, chose the page or database, clicked import, and let Coda do the rest.